สวัสดีครับ My name is Kid from Bangkok lawyer. I am a Thai lawyer. So what I would like to talk with you guys today is about the issue that some foreigners here in Thailand, they want to know, if I filing a lawsuit in Thailand, do I have to fight until we get a verdict, or we have to go to until we get the final judgment? This is the question that there are still a lot of foreigners in Thailand that they still don't understand about the process of Thai law. Alright, okay, as a lawyer who litigate for the civil and criminal case here in Thailand, I would like to to explain this issue to all the foreigners who are living or working or coming to Thailand just for temporarily. I want to tell you guys that for the civil lawsuit, if you suing somebody in Thai court for it could be for the loan money, or it could be something that related to the civil lawsuit. Does it has to fight until you get a final verdict or not? No, it doesn't. You don't have to fight until to get a verdict or to get a final judgment, because for the civil lawsuit, right? When you're suing somebody, the first hearing that you're gonna have to attend is the mediation hearing. At the mediation hearing, both sides can talk and negotiate and also find a solution to settle the case. If the plaintiff, the person who's suing the defendant, can agree to accept the offer from the defendant, then we can draft a settlement agreement and the case can be finished, right? That's easy. You don't have to fight until to get the final verdict. The settlement agreement is one of the best solution for both parties, as well. What about the criminal lawsuit? Of course, in Thailand, apart from the prosecutor who can file criminal complaint in the criminal court, the lawyer can also suing the person who commit criminal offense against the injured party as well. In Thailand, of course, if somebody assaulting you, or if somebody stealing something from you, and you don't want to go to the to filing a police complaint, you can hiring a lawyer to sue that person directly to the court. What about if we suing them to the court, and can we negotiate and settle the case? Of course, if you hiring a lawyer to suing somebody for like defamation lawsuit, right? Defamation is mean that somebody posting and saying something bad about yourself online, or whatever they say that is against your reputation, and then you can asking a lawyer to sue them for defamation here in Thailand. Can the defamation case or other criminal case can be settled? Yes, it can be settled. If that person who have been sued for defamation, they agree to pay the compensation, and you agree to accept the compensation, then the case can finish. And then your lawyer can withdraw the criminal case from the court, and that person who are being sued, they will not have the criminal record as well. Alright guys, you can see that, right? Even you suing somebody for the civil lawsuit or the criminal offense in Thailand, you don't have to fight until the end of the case. You don't have to to do it to get the final verdict. If the case can be settled, or both parties can agree to settle the case during the mediation, then both parties can just drafting a settlement agreement, submit it, and then the court will approve the settlement agreement, and then the case can be finished in one hearing. No need to fight for the verdict, right? Alright guys, hopefully you guys can get some understanding about the way to handle the civil or criminal case here in Thailand. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.